वीर धुरंधर बाजीराव पेशवा आलेले आहे. Everything was set and we saw some really unforeseen, unprecedented weather actually. We were just about to land in Pune और there were very very dense clouds, बहुत ही बादल थे और बादलों ने देखा कि हेलीकॉप्टर में दीपिका आ रही है तो देखते ही बादल की फट गई. तो बादल फटते तो क्या होता है, रेन होता है. तो रेन हुआ और हमारे जो पायलट साहब थे, ही इज़ एन एक्स एयरफोर्स गाय. ही इज़ यूजुअली अ गाय हु अगर प्रॉब्लम है भी तो वो ले लेते हैं. ही हैंडल्स, ही इज़ अ वेरी गुड पायलट. और उन्होंने बोला गाइज इज़ टू डेंजरस, वी मस्ट टर्न बैक. काफ़ी सारा टर्बुलेंस था. मेरी ऑनेस्टली थोड़ी बहुत little jitters in the stomach, but our pilot, he knows what he's doing. He suggested that we turn back, so we had to go back to Bombay. उसके बाद हेलीकॉप्टर से, गाड़ी से, प्लेन से, गाड़ी में, एक और हेलीकॉप्टर में, फिर गाड़ी में और फिर आए.
Basically, we took off at 7:30 in the morning. We couldn't land in Pune because of bad weather, even though we were, I think, just 2 or 3 minutes away. And so then we had to go back 1 hour, land in Bombay again. Then they had to organize for a private plane because I think there are no I think there are no like commercial flights. I think there was no commercial flight at that time. So then we had to wait for that to be organized. Then that was organized. So then we landed in Pune. Then there was another chopper that we had to take.
Often rain plays spoil sport. Like the other night, like 2 days back, I had to shoot. I was very tired, but I stayed up to watch the tennis finals, and that got rained out, and I missed that. So it often happens, you plan something nice and positive, and then unforeseen weather will create a ruckus. And that's what happened today. But we're really sorry.
As disappointed as y'all are, we're equally disappointed. For several reasons, because this is really the kickstart of the Bajirao Mastani campaign, and we were really looking forward to this. And I will give the team credit and say that they've worked round the clock over the last 2 or 3 weeks to put this together. It's not easy to put together a scale of this an event of this size, and we were disappointed because we had I think we had everything ready, and we were looking forward to seeing these little kids from school put up this activity. But I believe that also, I think they have school tomorrow and they also had to leave. So then we sort of all agreed that we'll go ahead and do it anyway without us being there, instead of delaying the whole thing further. And I think some of the kids, we managed to see them. They were in the school bus and they were going. So we stopped and we waved at them. And hopefully from our next event,
rain will not.
No, and I think we play it safe and keep it in Bombay. Who has told you this? I want to know. You believe a lot of the reports that you write.
मेरी मजाल है कि मैं भंसाली सर के सेट पे लेट जाऊं. हाँ, मैं लेट जा सकता हूँ, पर मैं लेट नहीं जा सकता हूँ. संजय सर के पास बहुत काम है यार. कल फिर से शूट है हमारी, तो ही इज जस्ट प्रेपिंग फॉर दैट, एंड ही इज टोटली इनटू द जोन नाउ. वो पिक्चर के अलावा और कुछ सोच नहीं सकते. तो ही सर आप लोग अपना मस्त गजानन आरती का गाना आप लॉन्च करें. आई विल जस्ट प्रेप फॉर टुमारो शूट. The energy was amazing. एक टोली आई थी with lot of drums and they passed one drum onto the stage. वो ठट 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 ठट. So that was a lot of fun to do that यार. मैं थोड़ा उंगली कट गया करते करते, but it was a lot of fun. They had great energy. We had some young girls as well as part of the toli, and they were really
That's
going
the first
for it.
time I haven't seen that.
वो एक लड़की तो ऊपर चढ़ के ऐसे डुम 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 डुम. Hey, she was leading the whole thing. It was wonderful to see. Fantastic energy, so much excitement from the crowd. क्या हो रहा है? And it was a good time. It was. I'm glad we made it, so we could have this sort of crowd interaction. I love those, and I had a blast. Dips, you?
आपसे एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे कि आप भी ड्रम बजाएंगे.
बजाया यार.
वो छोटा वाला.
किया ना. No.
Big one.
Yeah.
Sir, so tell us something about the song. What are we all here for?
Well, it's the Gajanan Aarti. Mr. Bhansali thought it would be a wonderful thing to start the promotional campaign of Bajirao Mastani with Ganesh Aarti. You know, जैसे कि बोलते हैं कि हर चीज़ का शुभारंभ श्री गणेश का नाम लेके करते हैं. So he thought it would be quite appropriate to start a promotional campaign with launching the first song being Gajanan Aarti. So Sukhi Paji sung it, and I have to say the drum beats and Sukhi Paji's voice really gives it that power. And I think it's a wonderful time. The timing of its release is absolutely wonderful. When everyone is reveling in the festivities of Ganesh Chaturthi, and it's a great time. I'm sure people will love this
What
song.
are you standing
They're in the
on?
mood for it.
अपार्ट फ्रॉम योर फिल्म कभी आप लोगों ने ऐसे गणपति डांस किया है?
अरे मैंने तो बहुत किया है. मैं आज भी करता हूँ. मैं गाड़ी में जाता हूँ, कोई बड़ी सी टोली हो ना, विसर्जन पार्टी, और ये लोग या मस्त मगन में नाच रहे हैं, तो मैं तो उतर के नाच लेता हूँ. आई लव विसर्जन पार्टी.
अक्सर देखा जाता है कि मुंबई में जब भी गणपति आते हैं बहुत सारा ट्रैफिक भी हो जाता है और आप लोगों को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाने में तकलीफ होती है. तो क्या आप लोग भी उस टीम का पार्ट बन जाते हैं? कभी देखते हैं कि
In terms of festivities, I think for most families, at least for our family, Ganpati and Diwali are the two main festivals, and we don't bring the idol home, but there is obviously celebration at home. Either my parents come to Bombay or I go to Bangalore, and we spend Gauri and Ganpati the 2 days together, but in a very simple, quiet way, not too noisy.
Can we request you to sing a few lines of the Aarti?
I don't think this would be the appropriate place to do that.
सुखविंदर की आवाज आप अच्छी निकालते हैं.
हाँ.
दीपिका नहीं निकाल पाई.
What anyone?
दीपिका, आप निकाल पाएंगी सुखी पाजी की आवाज़?
I can try and copy you.
गजानना, 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 लंबोदर तू विनायका तू. है यार, थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है. 18 दिसंबर आ रहा है.
बचने के लिए भी आपने गोरेगांव शिफ्ट कर दिया आप लोगों ने, तो
हाँ यार, जैसे कि अभी आपने कहा ट्रैफिक बहुत होती है मुंबई में, तो इंस्टेड ऑफ स्पेंडिंग 2.5 hours on the road, I'd rather use that time, to devote to my physical 12 घंटे शूट होती है उसके पहले और उसके
Think,
बाद
what is your next question? Quickly.
there's a lot of work as well. So if you save time commuting, then you can just be more focused on your work. So it's been good. It's really helped me a lot.
रणवीर और दीपिका फिल्म शाहरुख खान की फिल्म दिलवाले से क्लैश हो रही है और ना आप लोगों की डेट चेंज हुई ना उनकी फिल्म की डेट चेंज हुई. तो इसके बारे में आप दोनों क्या कहना चाहेंगे कि दोनों बिग बजट फिल्म है और दोनों एम्बिशियस फिल्म है, तो क्या दोनों फिल्मों को टकराना चाहिए बॉक्स ऑफिस पे, क्योंकि नुकसान होता है एक फिल्म को हमेशा.
You want me to take it?
यस दीपिका.
I don't think I understand the commerce enough to say from a business point of view whether it affects the business of either of the films. I don't think I know enough about that to say that. But I can definitely say that we are coming on the 18th of Bajirao Mastani is releasing on the 18th of December, and I think that's a date that we had announced about 1.5-2 years ago. And I mean, even if they are, I have no idea when they are releasing. I'm going by what you're saying, and you're saying that they're releasing on the 18th as well. I think there's place for any kind of film. I think I'm assuming that I've worked with Rohit in the past as well, and I know they're two very different kinds of filmmakers. They're two different kinds of films, and I'd like to believe that there's space for everyone and for every kind of film.
रणवीर आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? रणवीर आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? काजोल है, शाहरुख खान है. एक सेकंड लेट मी कंप्लीट. शाहरुख खान है, काजोल है, रोहित शेट्टी का कॉम्बिनेशन है. आपका क्या टेक है इस बारे में? मतलब आपने संजय लीला बंसल इस बारे में डिस्कस किया कि फिल्म आगे पीछे करनी चाहिए?
यार, मुझे इन चीज़ों से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. मैं एक्टर हूँ, मैं एक्टिंग करता हूँ, उसके अलावा और उसके बावजूद मुझे कुछ नहीं पता.
I think all of us have been very, very engrossed in the making of the film. It's been a very, very demanding film. It's been a very exhausting film. So much so that, like he said earlier, we are all even staying as close to location as possible to save that much time. We're shooting 16-18 hours a day, and I don't think that. I think as actors, I don't think we get involved in the decisions of how a film should be marketed or when it should release or which film it should come with or not come with. I think as actors, our job is to do our work as actors, do that well, and leave the rest to the professionals who know what they're doing.
So
क्योंकि मौका रणवीर एंड दीपिका क्योंकि मौका सॉन्ग लॉन्च का है हमारे देश के बहुत ही जाने माने म्यूजिक कंपोजर ए आर रहमान ऑस्कर विनर हैं उनके अगेंस्ट फतवा जारी किया गया है क्योंकि उन्होंने मोहम्मद नाम की फिल्म में म्यूजिक दिया है। तो आप क्या कहेंगे जो आर्टिस्ट होते हैं वो एक इजी टारगेट होते हैं, ये फतवा जारी करना ठीक है?
और रजनीकांत को भी टीपू सुल्तान
Just one reaction on that.
Let them answer,
हार्दिक एक सेकंड,
क्या सही है आर्टिस्ट को टारगेट करना ऐसे फतवे जारी करना?
का लॉन्च हो रहा है तो आप मराठी में गाने के बारे में कितना एनर्जेटिक है।
Please speak. Let them answer my question. रणवीर,
Which one are you responding
I don't know.
to?
Is it okay to target the artist? ऐसे फतवे जारी करके जो उनकी फिल्म रिलीज
I wouldn't
फिल्म को बैन
comment.
कर दिया जाना सही है क्या?
I
artist
wouldn't
को target
comment on
करना?
that. I wouldn't comment on that. I don't know. I don't know what is happening.
आलेले आहे आलेले आहे आलेले आहे वीर धुरंधर बाजीराव पेशवा आलेले आहे. नमस्कार, मैं हूँ रणवीर सिंह.
Hi, this is Deepika Padukone, and we'd like to wish all the viewers a very happy Ganpati.
गणपती बाप्पा मोरया.
Thank you. Thank you.